Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Mini Donald token. Ticker symbol is Barron. Now this token is trending number 2 right now on DEX tools. It was trending last night actually too, and then I saw today that they are getting a brand new central exchange listing as well, starting today I believe. And we're going to go over the information on the Barron token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token's also trending number 2 right now on DEX Screener, doing very well. So you can find this project listed on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, maybe CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. But it was just announced that this token will be listed let's see here, July 12th. Which is tomorrow. Full trading will be open July 12th, 5 a.m. UTC time on a central exchange called Poloniex. So if you're looking to get this token, one way to get it would be to download Poloniex from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT. And then when this token gets listed, go into the trade section, the spot trading zone, and search Barron, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Now, another way to get this token, if you want to get it before it gets listed on Poloniex, it is available now on DEXs like Uniswap. So you can get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or a Coinbase wallet with ETH. Going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your ETH for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is that is their Telegram there, mini-donald.com. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll look for that in a second here. Now you could join their Telegram, which is at minidonald_ERC. They have 1,206 subscribers on there. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listing sites, new partnerships, of course, memes. There's going to be tons of memes. Looks like this token is also listed on CoinMarketCap if you want to see the chart and the price, along with DEX Tools, DEX Screener. Still trending number 2 on DEX Tools and DEX Screener. It says, according to DEX Tools, this token is up 57,033% in the past 24 hours. That is a pretty crazy amount, but it is a brand new token that just recently came out. So it says here they have a market cap of $3.4 million. That is also their fully diluted valuation. Token price is about 0.0033 USD. They have $321,000 in liquidity in Uniswap. And according to DEX Screener, 99.99% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So they've been doing a good job advertising. It says on DEX Screener here that they do have ads that they've been doing on here, so that's good to see. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $5.7 million. And they have here, this token actually just came out 1 day, 4 hours ago. So The Mini Donald. That's funny. Now, their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over here as usual, and this is where you're going to see new listings like the Poloniex announcement. That's where I saw it was on X. And it says here that they have 5,760 Twitter followers. And they have a link to their Telegram right there, a link to their webpage. It says no affiliation with the actual Donald. 57 posts so far. And in their pinned tweet, there's basically like a full link tree. They have DEX tools chart. It says liquidity burned. It's got their Ether scans on there. They have here the Telegram. Everything basically is in that pinned tweet right there that you're going to need to find. So that's easy there. The Twitter basically has all the links if you just go right to that Twitter. Now their Ether scan, let's see, that does work. All right, just verifying a couple things here. And then their webpage has a buy now button on it. It'll take you right to Uniswap. It says this meme coin that brings a fresh twist to the crypto world with a charming and instantly recognizable logo. Mini Donald is set to capture the hearts of meme enthusiasts and crypto traders alike. Our coin symbolizes not just financial potential, but a playful take on one of the most talked about figures in recent history. Join the Mini Donald community today and be a part of the revolution that blends humor, culture, and innovation. It says, please be advised that Barron is a cryptocurrency created for entertainment purposes only and is not affiliated or endorsed by Barron Trump. While Barron Memecoin may reference or incorporate elements related to Barron's persona, image, or likeness, it does not imply any direct endorsement, partnership, or approval by Barron. Any resemblance or association between Barron and Barron Trump is purely coincidental and intended for satirical and humorous purposes only. It says supply 1 billion tokens, no tax, LP burnt, contract revoked. And if you need to contact them, info@mini-donald.com. So you will not have to set slippage when getting this token. Ooh, they're trending #1 right now. 1,260 holders so far. 24-hour trading volume is $5.38 million. 52 pooled ETH in Uniswap, which is equivalent to a little bit over 45 million pooled Barron tokens. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99 and a community trust score of 99.1% out of 111 votes. So go check this project out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.